And so for years, I've just been crafting while I do things, while I watch TV, while I'm listening to music, while we have friends over. Oh, no, I'm not an affiliate yet. That's very sweet of you to think so. But no, I have to get, you have to average like 3 average viewers per stream, and I'm under that. I'm still at like 2.5 or something. But Shanigans is like an agent of good, and Shan actually was like my first, sizable raid, and introduced me to like the Crafters Guild folks. And so I strongly suspect Shanigans of raiding me tonight in an attempt to help get me over the hump, so to say, of having, that many viewers at a time. But I've seriously I've been an avid crafter for a really long time, and I have a ton of hobbies, and I talk all the time. And so I was talking to a friend about this, and I was like, who knew there was a market for this? Like, did you know that this was like a marketable skill, y'all? Like, did you know that me sitting at my table and making tiny gnomes with just a stream of kerchat is like a desirable thing that folks might want to hear? And he was like, well, yes, I told my husband, was like, yes, I know, I told you that. But it's just so, oh, Melanie, you're too sweet. Thank you. But yeah, I just feel like I still feel like suspicious when people follow me. I'm like, you saw me and you heard me talking and you still want to follow. Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Whew. Okay. We're straightening a tiny beard, and this little beard is soft, soft, soft. It does not want to hold a line. It does not want to stay nicely. It does not want to just be agreeable. It wants to be super fussy. And so the answer is we're going to leave it alone. Because we've been poking at it and trying to make it like be more compliant. It said no thanks. So we're going to leave that be, because we don't need to argue with it. That's cool. And we're going to learn our lesson, and we're going to give this one a little bit smaller beard. You have a talent for engaging with conversation while getting down with gnomes. That's very thank you. And see, I love talking to people. I'm just a chatterbox. And see, oh, keep up the good work. You will make it there. And also, David Vetter. Thank you, David. David is another super nice supporter. He told me earlier that he lurked in my channel for a while recently to help me get up to my numbers. And to me, like, that's so Twitch to me. Like, I'm absolutely loving, like, the culture of kindness around here. Like, people are like, oh, you know what'd be great? If I lurk to help someone improve their numbers. Like, thanks. Like, and I just, cozy time. This little comment on my routine. Sorry for so many positive things today. I just got on Twitch again. I would appreciate for how awkward I am. Oh, okay. Mixed Melanie, I definitely need to follow you. And also, I am also super awkward, and I say dumb stuff, like, non-stop all the time. You just gotta be like, because if people don't like it, they can be like, meow. So, anyone who does, say yay. And yay, Deep Sea. I hope this helps. So, I try to be, like, critical of myself, and, like watch part of my streams later and think, if I was watching that, would I want to keep watching? Like, if I came in and someone was saying that, like, would I want to stay and hang out? And so I was like, I had it kind of playing in the background, and my little voice is